We were this close to pressing go on the whole thing until something really unexpected happened. We had to pivot the entire plan, and what we ended up with actually cost us less than a sixth of the original price that we were quoted, and it still feels like my dream space. So here's the full story of our bathroom refresh, including what we did, what we skipped, and how you can save thousands on your own bathroom projects. Hi guys, I'm Fi, I'm an interior designer, and if you're new here, I share videos showing you how to renovate your dream home confidently and affordably. We talk about the mistakes to avoid, how to save money on your renovation, and all those nitty-gritty details that will make your design perfect. So click the like and subscribe button if you're doing a renovation and you'd like some support. Before we get into how we pulled off this bathroom refresh for just over £3,000, I have to take you back, because this is the second time that we've renovated this bathroom. The first time back in 2016, I wasn't an interior designer yet. It was poorly laid out, a tiny avocado bathroom, and we had no plan, no idea how much it would cost, and even less of an idea on how to choose finishes. Let's just cut the long and painful story short. It got done in a rush with so many mistakes. It looked okay at first, and I'll share some pics of it on screen now, but within a year, major problems started unravelling. Leaks started to appear in the ceiling down below, the mould began, there were grout cracks, the bath wobbled. What else went wrong? The MDF panelling absorbed so much water that I could never clean it properly. It was such a poor choice. The ventilation was non-existent, cue the constant mould, no matter how hard I scrubbed. We even had gaffer tape holding it all together at one point. Awful. Guys, we had to live with it like this until we had the funds to renovate it again. And I honestly think the real breaking point actually came when one quiet Tuesday, I was just sat answering emails in the office with a cup of tea, and suddenly I heard the loudest crash. So I ran into the bathroom, and the shower screen had decided to hurl itself off the hinges and smash into 1,000 pieces on the floor. Even the shower screen didn't want anything to do with that bathroom anymore. That was it, we were done with the temporary fixes. So I went full interior design mode and treated it like a proper project. Mood boards, layouts, spec lists, all the steps that we teach in our renovation courses. And the result of that was a stunning bathroom design that I budgeted would come in around £20,000. It included a bespoke vanity that I designed myself, wall lights that I designed myself, it was so much fun, artisan tiles, underfloor heating, all the bells and whistles basically. And the quote didn't shock me. This was the level of finish that we'd created and we expected it. But just as we were locking everything in, we had everyone booked. We looked at our house as a whole. We've lived here for 10 years almost, and it's already at its ceiling price, and we might not be here much longer. So we started asking ourselves, do we really want to spend £20,000 on this one room when we could use that money elsewhere or in the next property? So we made a bold decision. What if we could bring the same design vision to life at a fraction of the cost? And that became our new challenge. And in the end, we finished this bathroom refresh for £3,154.19, including VAT. And honestly, we're so chuffed with how it turned out. So here's how we did it and how we saved thousands. Firstly, we didn't move any of the plumbing, and keeping the layout exactly the same saved us thousands in labour and materials. There was no need to rip up the floors or so much as touch the existing pipework. Secondly, we dropped the nice-to-haves. No underfloor heating, no new wall lights, no plastering. We focused on fixing what was broken and elevating the feel with simpler and more affordable swaps. And thirdly, we upgraded only what mattered. We replaced the bath with a reinforced acrylic one, as that's what caused all the leaks originally. Obviously fitted a new shower screen as well, and this one cleverly reroutes runoff water. We swapped the tiles, changed the blind, and we repainted the room with a much more timeless, calm colour scheme. We also reused and revived elements of the existing bathrooms. We kept the tap and vanity units and just repainted it and refreshed it in areas. We regrouted the floor and fixed some wobbly tiles. We replaced the light fitting instead of new wiring and plastering. And crucially, Neil did all of the decorating himself, applying techniques from the pro painters that we share in our online courses, which saved us almost £1,000 in labour fees. Now guys, before I show you the entire bathroom costs broken down, I've made something for you. So many of you said that you loved my earliest video where I shared bathroom tiles I recommend to clients and wanted more. So I'm giving all of my subscribers free access to my bathroom flooring directory, showing the 15 different floors that I propose in all my client projects, as well as my design notes with do's and don'ts. The best part is that all of these floors are affordable and excellent quality, so you'll prevent loads of mistakes. It's UK and USA suppliers, and you can download it in the description box below. Oh, and if your bathroom renovation is only one part of a wider renovation and you've got a whole house to renovate, I recommend joining my free renovation guide as well. In day one's video class, I give away juicy tips to make savings in your project, and I've left links below. Here's a quick breakdown of what we were quoted originally versus what we spent. I'll pop it on screen now. You'll see that the biggest savings were actually reducing the scope of the overall project, skipping the bespoke joinery especially, and only upgrading the key elements, as well as absorbing labour costs by doing the painting and decorating ourselves. Those things alone took us from £20,000 to just over £3,000. If you're finding this helpful, hit like, drop a comment and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Now, you might be thinking, Fee, our bathroom looks more like your before. How do you renovate it with so much to do and a tight budget? And here are my quick tips, which are definitely going to stretch your finances further. The first is stick to your existing plumbing layout if you can. Revive what you already own. New handles and paint go a long way. Avoid very cheap, poor materials or bad layout choices, because like us, you end up paying to replace them all later. Take the time to source fittings yourself rather than leaving it up to your trades. You'll access the best price and be able to research how good the quality is, or you can use one of our vetted supplier lists to fast track this process. And also have a vision to work towards, not just a wish list, because if you do need to scale back your plans, it's easier to identify where you can make those savings without compromising the overall look and feel. For so many renovators, this is one of the most stressful periods of their lives, and all you want is your dream home right now. So our online courses and free guides are there to walk you through all of this. You can feel confident, stay in control and on budget. So honestly guys, whether your bathroom needs a full gut or just a thoughtful refresh, I really hope that today's video has shown you that a dreamy result is possible without blowing your budget. Comment down below and let me know what updates do you need to make to your bathroom. And before I wrap up, guys, last night, me and Neil just saw that we hit 1 million views on our YouTube channel, which is seriously wild. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing, for commenting. It means the world to us. I have so many renovation and design videos coming up for you, and I hope you stick around. But yeah, that's it for today. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next episode, and I won't leave it so long next time. Bye guys.